Today we're diving into a topic that many Snapchat users might find themselves needing: how to recover deleted Snapchat photos, videos, and messages. If you've accidentally deleted something important, don't panic. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you recover your lost content. Make sure to stick around until the end for some bonus tips. Let's get started. First, let's talk about recovering deleted photos and videos. Snapchat is known for its disappearing content, but there are a few ways you might be able to get your media back. Snapchat automatically saves some photos and videos in the memory sections. To check if your deleted content is still there, follow the steps. Open Snapchat, swipe up to access memories. Here you can browse through the camera roll and snap tab to see if your content is there. Now, if you can't find your media in memories, you can try using Snapchat's data recovery tool. Go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon. Tap on the gear icon to access settings. Scroll down and select privacy control. Then tap on download my data. Here you'll need to enter your email address and Snapchat will send you a link to download your data. This might take some time and the recovered data may not include all deleted photos or videos. Now let's move on to recovering deleted Snapchat messages. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't offer an official way to recover deleted messages, but there are a few things you can try. Step 1. Check your chat history. Messages that haven't been cleared from chat history may still be accessible. Here's how to check. Open Snapchat and go to chat and tap on the chat with the message you want to recover. Scroll through the chat history to see if the message is still there. And that's a wrap on how to recover deleted Snapchat photos, videos, and messages. Remember, while some methods might work, there's no guarantee for all content due to Snapchat's temporary nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.